This is a simple and fast review of the Kopatesun 16 head 12 volt deep tissue percussion massager. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get this out of its box, you'll have some instructions, USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and then of course the actual massager. Now you're going to note that there's going to be 16 soft massagers here. Does have two hand grips, as you can see, kind of just varying points. Layout is kind of simple. The key for me is that it is chargeable. So you don't need to be plugged in. So I can kind of take this to any chair that I feel like. And of course, we're going to go ahead and just plug this in real quick. Let's see. I don't know if you'll see that. That'll show what it's doing when charging to give you an idea. See how it looks. And I'm assuming it comes with some charge already. So let's turn it on. A couple different options, 1, 2, and 3. And then up to 30 different variations there. You'll see the little red light. F1 is pretty standard. F2 is going to have a little bit different variation. And I don't know that you can really see very well how fast these are actually going. They are going really, really fast. That'll give you an idea on the sound. Although, on my camera it doesn't look like it's really moving that fast. It's moving pretty good. And then F3 is more of a start and stop. And F1 is just on. So read your instructions on that. I'm going to test this thing out a little bit and give it a feel. And we're just going to hold it down, turn it off. So we'll test it out, show you me testing it out, and take it from there. All right, so as mentioned, just turn it on. And again, whether we want to go with a low at 1 or take it all the way up to 30, which is the fastest, that's going to be up to you. The thing I've really enjoyed about this so far is the ability to kind of move this wherever I need to. Kind of using this as a full body massager. Again, you can kind of work your feet. If you want to put it on the ground like that, I would suggest that you find some carpet if you're going to use this for your feet, which is definitely an option. But understand that it's also going to take away some of the power of it when you put it on the or the speed. The more pressure you put on this, the more the speed kind of declines. So just be aware of that. But utilizing this, forgive me here, I'm trying to adjust here, in multiple ways, whether it's on my back, my lower back, upper back. What you'll note is that little red light therapy really helps out as well. You can adjust this for your stomach. A lot of different ways that this can be used, and that's the really nice part, is that there's some flexibility to kind of how you want to do it. It's kind of similar to kind of the single, single piece massagers, but this one just gives you a lot of extra space so that you're not just worrying about one spot at all times. And I do love the handles. That makes it a really nice fit. And again, depending on kind of what your mode is, if you want to kind of go up and down, or if you want to have some pauses in the massaging techniques, they do have some flexibility there. What I wish they did have was more of a timer, so I could just throw it on my back and just let it go for 15 minutes or 20 minutes. They don't have that, so you will have to kind of set your own watch or something like that, and be willing to kind of adjust on that. But to me, I use mostly the F1, which is going to be the constant, and I do use it at the higher levels, but everybody else's ways of doing this will be up to them. But to me, it's got a 3-hour battery, so at least assume that at the highest level you're going to get about 2 hours, but minimum. And I don't think you'll ever really need that without recharging. But I'm one of these guys that charges all the time. So hopefully this review has given you an idea of kind of how this works, what it's capable of. Definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped. Thanks for watching.